Welcome to Top 5 Report. The best Play-Doh kit is probably one of the most timeless and universally beloved toys, offering endless hours of creative exploration and sensory development for children of all ages, transforming simple dough into vibrant sculptures, imaginative scenes, and tactile learning experiences that spark joy and foster fine motor skills in a wonderfully engaging way. Number 5. Play-Doh Ultimate Fun Factory Multipack Set. Experience the joy of creation with this classic tool. Simply slide on a rail and start squeezing to make up to 10 unique stringy shapes. It's designed for simple, imaginative play. Dive into a world of color with 12 assorted 3-ounce cans. This set includes a wide range of hues like yellow, red, green, and blue. It provides all the vibrant shades needed for any masterpiece. Spark creativity with an impressive collection of 47 tools. These allow you to craft silly shapes, animals, mythical creatures, and beautiful flowers. There's no limit to what you can imagine and create with them. This set offers squishy, hands-on fun for both preschoolers and older children. It encourages imaginative arts and crafts activities for everyone. It also makes an ideal gift for kids aged 3 and above. Enjoy a hassle-free experience from the moment it arrives. This product comes in simple, recyclable packaging that's easy to open. It's a step towards a more sustainable and frustration-free world. What we like? This set is a fantastic starting point for any budding artist. With 47 tools and 12 vibrant colors, it offers endless possibilities for creative expression. If you are looking for a comprehensive kit that encourages broad imaginative play and provides a wide array of options right out of the box, you should consider this one. What people say. No positive points could be extracted as the source reviews were empty. Please provide product reviews to extract points. Number 4. Aestd-ST Polymer Clay 50 Colors. This 50-color polymer clay starter kit is perfect for children and artists alike. It's easy to shape, non-sticky, and won't fade, making artistic creation a breeze. Its rich colors offer endless possibilities for your imagination. It comes in a convenient 2-layer plastic storage box, containing 50 individually packaged clay pieces. You'll also find creative modeling tools, accessories, and a user manual, all weighing a total of 2.96 pounds. Crafted from soft polymer clay, it is free of common allergens like wheat, nuts, or peanuts. This product strictly adheres to ASTM B4236 standards, ensuring your child's safety and your peace of mind. You have 3 methods to cure your creations. Oven baking is recommended for best results. For smaller pieces, a hair dryer can be used. Please refer to the included instructions for detailed guidance on each method. Our professional customer service team is always ready to assist you with any questions or concerns. We are committed to ensuring a smooth experience from purchase to creation. Note, it contains small parts and is not suitable for children under 3 years old. What we like? Moving beyond traditional dough, this polymer clay set opens up a world of permanent creations. Its 50 vibrant, non-sticky colors are perfect for detailed sculpting, and you can bake your masterpieces to make them last. If you like creating lasting art pieces, want to explore advanced sculpting techniques, or are looking for a gift for an aspiring artist, this kit is an excellent choice. What people say. Number 3. Melissa and Doug Modeling Dough and Sculpting Kit. Let your child's imagination soar with this fantastic kit. They can roll, stamp, cut, and mold colorful dough into endless creations, enjoying screen-free artistic fun. This comprehensive bundle provides everything needed for artistic masterpieces. It includes 8 tubs of vibrant dough, wooden tools, molds, and cutters for endless possibilities. Beyond just fun, this kit helps build crucial developmental skills. It enhances fine motor control, hand-eye coordination, and boosts confidence through creative play. Looking for a thoughtful present? This makes an ideal gift for birthdays, holidays, or celebrating small achievements. It's designed to bring joy and learning to any child. For over 35 years, Melissa and Doug has been dedicated to inspiring wholesome, kid-powered play. This product continues their tradition of creating engaging and educational toys. What we like? This classic set from Melissa and Doug emphasizes foundational skill development through tactile play. It combines traditional modeling dough with durable wooden tools, promoting fine motor control and creative expression. If you are looking for a screen-free activity that helps build essential preschool skills and encourages imaginative storytelling, this bundle is perfectly suited. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, no points could be extracted as requested. Number 2. Play-Doh Kitchen Creation Spiral Fries Playset. Get ready to create amazing Play-Doh fries. This playset lets you twist out spiral or wavy fries with ease. Watch the magic happen as they emerge from the clear machine. Beyond spirals, you can make all kinds of fries. Squeeze out straight cuts, slice crinkle-cut shapes, or stamp wacky waffle fries. The possibilities are endless for your culinary imagination. No fry is complete without toppings. Drizzle pretend ketchup or hot sauce with the special bottle. Then, sprinkle on some pretend salt and herbs using the grinder for extra flavor. It comes with 5 exciting Play-Doh colors to bring your creations to life. Make green veggie fries, orange carrot fries, or mix them for crazy multicolor combinations. Let your creativity shine. Complete your meal with a pretend hot dog bun and a serving basket. These accessories allow them to proudly display their delicious kitchen creations. It's perfect for imaginative play. Looking for a fantastic gift? This kitchen playset is ideal for children aged 3 and up. It encourages creativity and hours of fun for both girls and boys. What we like? Get ready for some pretend culinary fun with this themed playset. It features a unique spiral fries maker and a Play-Doh drizzle bottle for realistic food creations, making playtime deliciously interactive. If you have a child who loves imaginative kitchen play or enjoys creating specific play food items, this engaging set will provide hours of entertainment. What people say. Number 1. ARTPAR Air Dry Clay 90 Colors. Discover the ultimate creative experience for your children with this amazing modeling clay set. It offers endless possibilities for artistic expression and fun. This comprehensive kit provides 90 brightly colored air dry clays, along with practical sculpting tools. You can even mix them to create brand new shades for your unique creations. Our modeling clay is incredibly soft, making it easy for little hands to use without any mess. It won't stick to surfaces, fade, or crack over time, ensuring lasting creations. These vibrant clays are perfect for stimulating your child's imagination and creativity. Playing with them also enhances hand-eye coordination and develops fine motor skills. Crafted from non-sticky, eco-friendly, and high-quality materials, it's completely safe for your children. We strictly adhere to safety standards, so you can have peace of mind. This creative craft kit is a fantastic gift for birthdays, holidays, or any DIY art project. It's perfect for children, teens, and beginners eager to explore the art of clay modeling. What we like? This expansive air dry clay kit offers an incredible spectrum of 90 colors, providing unparalleled creative freedom. The clay is soft, non-sticky, and dries without baking, making it incredibly easy for kids and beginners to use. If you are looking for a mess-free, vibrant medium that allows for extensive color mixing and doesn't require an oven, this set is ideal for sparking imagination and developing fine motor skills. What people say. No positive reviews found in the provided source. Please provide product reviews to extract points. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.